Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I will be taking you through how to make this delicious and sumptuous porridge yam with beans, guys. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end because you will love everything you will see here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, give us a like, comment and share for more. Let's get started. So guys, I will be taking you through how to cook the beans now. You can use any beans of your choice. You can use oloyi or you can use these white beans. I normally use these white beans, so I have to wash it first before I even put it on my hot water. It's already washed, so I'll be putting it inside my water now to cook it for a while before we proceed to the next step on how to make this delicious porridge yam with beans. It's so healthy and good for the body. If you want your beans to cook so well, you add in onions and then you will add in salt at the end of the cooking of the beans, so that your beans will have to done very well. I'll be adding in my onions, guys. These onions will help the beans to cook so well and it will bring out the taste. So our beans is cooking. We'll be getting other ingredients ready, guys. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. You will love it. So guys, the beans is almost ready. Let's check it. Let's take some from it. You can see it. It's hot, so guys. So the beans is done. We have to add in our, you can see our sliced and washed yam. Let's add in the yam. It's like I will change the pot. I have to transfer it into this bigger pot so that it will contain it and done so well. So guys, you can see I have already added this thing, the yam and the beans. I transferred it. You can see it's not the pot I used to cook the beans because the pot is so small it cannot contain it, so I have to change the pot and use the bigger one. I use the bigger one to cook it. So let's add in our water. Now it's time to add in your salt. You see, the reason why I did not add salt while cooking my beans is to make, if you add salt while cooking your beans, it will make it to take longer time to cook. So that is the reason why I did not add salt while cooking the beans. I only added them onions. Then you can add salt at the end of the beans. When the beans is almost done, you can add your salt. So let's cook our yam and the beans together for some minutes before we proceed. Our yam is ready. Let's proceed with the next step of frying our pepper. You have to wait for the water to dry. Adding my red oregano. Don't have any there. Want my oil to come out. Everything should come out, guys. So guys, let's add in our onions. To fry our onions for 2 minutes before we add in the next ingredient, guys. So now it's time to introduce our blended pepper with tomato. This is how I make my own porridge yam, guys. Try this recipe, you will love it. It comes out so well and it tastes so delicious. So we have to fry it for 5 minutes. So guys, let's check our food. It has been cooking for some minutes now. You can see the outcome. It looks so delicious. You can see it comes out so well and it tastes so. The aroma I'm perceiving here is top notch. It's 10/10 minus nothing. Try this recipe and cook your beans, guys. It will come out so well and it will taste so good. Our beans and our yam and beans porridge is ready. Bring your plate, guys. Let's eat it together. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate you all. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video, guys. Thank you so much. Like and comment, share for more. Bye.